the TV had a mouse? Let's do it. If you scroll, it will appear. The mouse will appear. It will appear, and then you can choose any you want some apps. Right now, this movie box is installed. When you scroll, it creates a scroll button. I meant the scroll icon, up or down. Even though when you let's try YouTube, it will appear, and then you can choose the videos that you want. Even though this one here is not difficult, it was easy. If you had this thing will get a dark red. This will have a dark red, and then it will become minus smaller. And then you can choose the other. These settings are so easy. You can choose any you want. You have to. You can. This is impossible for you. The best thing is you have to scroll it like this. But the mouse will disappear, and then you have to appear it again. And then there you go, disappear. This thing will disappear and has some hard corrections. Even though this power knife has a flashing, when it does it buttons. When it does it, that makes me scrolling so this is not a touchscreen, that's a TV. But it looks like a desktop, right? Comment below if you like it. But it's signing off. This is me. Let's go and sign off.